Wangari Maathai was a leading light in the Green Belt movement that earned her recognition both locally and internationally. Let's get to hear more on her achievements and struggles.
First clings to Wangari Maathai, almost like a second skin. Born in Nyeri in 1940, Professor was the first woman in East and Central Africa to earn a doctorate degree and became chair of the Department of Veterinary Anatomy and an associate professor in 1976 and 1977, respectively. In both cases, she was the first woman to attain those positions in the region. Wangari Maathai was also the founder of the Green Belt movement and the 2004 Nobel Peace Prize laureate. She authored 4 books: The Green Belt Movement and Bowed, a memoir, The Challenge for Africa, and Replenishing the Earth. As well as having been featured in a number of books, she and the Green Belt movement were the subject of a documentary film, Taking Root, the vision of Wangari Maathai.
One of the reasons why I write about that experience as a child is indeed to inspire children, and especially girls, to understand that you can still achieve dreams that you have, even when you don't come from opportunities that present themselves very comfortably or very opportunistically at the beginning. And so indeed I was born in a very typical African home out in the countryside. None of the amenities that we think about, and I was the first of 3 girls and the third in the family. And so I was very much my mother's helper as I grew up. And that's why I write about fetching water for her, going to the field with her, taking care of my little sister, and literally almost emulating her and being a little woman around the house. And then an opportunity comes for me to go to school, and the question is popped, why don't I go to school? Obviously, I wasn't going to school because it wasn't typical for girls to go to school.
Professor Wangari Maathai's achievements go beyond borders. She died on 25th September 2011 at the age of 71 after a battle with ovarian cancer. She was indeed a real Kenyan pioneer. Rest in peace, Professor Wangari Maathai.